Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to solve one coding question, 4-digit OTP. You will be given a number in the form of string. Extract digits at odd places. Here we are taking odd index places. Square and merge them. So first 4 digits will be the required OTP. So for example, this is the input. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the string. Okay. So what are the numbers in the odd positions? For example, this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are the numbers in the odd position? 4, 6. What is the 4 square? 16. What is the 6 square? 36. We can match 16, 36. Okay. So that is the 4-digit OTP. If the length of this is greater than 4, for example, it is like this 1365, then also we are going to take only first 4. Okay. Now we see the program. S equals to input. What is the S here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So S equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So P equals to store the OTP for I in range of length of S. So what is the length of S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we execute these 2 instructions 5 times. Okay, so initially it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Initially 0, 0%2. Here we are going to find the odd index. So 0 is the 0%2. It is not equals to 0. So we don't do anything. It is incremented by 1. Now I value equals to 1. 1%2 not equals to 0. Yes, it is true. Now, so P equals to P plus. Already P is empty. We are taking int of S of I. What is the S of I? 4. 4 square 16. So convert it to the string and store in P. Next iteration, I becomes 2. 2%2 not equals to 0. So it is false. So increment the I. Now I equals to 3. 3%2 not equals to 0. It is true. So enter into here. P equals to P plus 16 plus. What is the S of I? 6. 36. So you can match. It becomes 16, 13, 6. In next iteration it becomes 4. 4%2 not equals to 0. False. So we coming out from that loop and print P to 4. So that means slicing. What is in the P? 1636. So that is the output. 1636. I hope you all understand the 4-digit OTP.
So now we are going to see the execution of the program. 1636.